Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert your eBay personal account to a business account. So all you have to do is head over to ebay.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just hover your mouse on your account name, then head over and click on account settings. Next, in the left panel under the Personal Info section, just click on Personal Information, and from the Account Type section, you should be able to see an Edit link or Edit button, the same with the other fields. But if you're the same with mine that has individual as a fixed account type, that only means that your account is still not eligible for a business account, and you're going to need to have at least three or more successful sales on your account for you to be eligible to switch to a business account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!